Hi, hello dear children. Welcome back to mathematics class, and this is your new topic, multiplication. So let's start our today's lesson. And maybe this is very interesting and it may gives you a wonderful concepts. So hope you really enjoy this class. So shall we start? Okay. So now just have a look on this. Okay, here we have some teddies, right? So here if you see, there are different kinds of different colored teddies are there, right? So if you see here, right, so light pink color teddies, and this one is brown color teddies, and this one is sky blue colored teddies, right? So if you count in each group we have three teddies, right? In the first group three, in the second group three, and in the third group we have three teddies, right? So if you add all these together, 3 plus 3 plus 3, you will get how much? 9, right? So in the same way, here we have the groups which are having same number of teddies, right? So instead of adding these teddies, we can multiply, we can make multiplication. How? It's very simple. Just if you see here, we have totally three groups. 1, 2, 3. So I will write here three number of groups into. In each group, how many teddies are there? 3. Number of teddies are 3 in each group. So if you multiply 3 into 3, you will get 9. 9 in all. So if you add all the teddies together, you will get the same number, and if you multiply 3 into 3, you will get the same number. It means, dear children, please remember, we are using the multiplication, right? So when each group has the same number, then we use multiplication to find out what? To find out how much or how many we have in all together, right? So here we have a sentence, when each group has the same number, we use multiplication to find out how many are there in all. Just now you have observed one example, right? So come to the next point. Any number, if you multiply any number by itself, right, or by 1, you will get the same numbers. What is this? I will show you. Just wait a minute. See here, yes, we have 5 into 1. So 5 into 1 gives 5. 5 ones are 5, right? So in this way you have to understand, right? And for example, if you ask one more, right? 4 into 1, right? So 4 into 1 you will get 4. 3 into 1, 3. 5 into 1, 5. In this way, you have to understand any number multiplied by 1 is that number itself. Okay? And one more point you have to understand. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. 5 into 0, here I given one example. 5 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 7 into 0, 0. In this way you have to understand this very important point. Okay, and one more point is there. Just wait a minute. Yes, see, here we have another very important point. The order of numbers, the order of numbers being multiplied doesn't matter. It means if you multiply 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, you will get the same answer. Here we have an example. 4 into 5, right? 4 into 5 is equal to 20, or 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So you will get same product. Is that clear, children? Yes. And the next point is the numbers that are multiplied, those are considered as a factors. Here 4 into 5, you are multiplying 4 and 5, so these numbers we called it as a factors. These are called as a factors. And in multiplication, the answer after the multiplication, what you will get, no, that we called it as a product, right? So 4 into 5, when you multiplied 4 into 5, you will get the answer 20, and that 20 is called as a product. So these are the very important points. You have to remember these points. Okay, dear children? Yes. And now come to the next concept. So how to multiply three-digit numbers? Before we are going to study this one, I will tell you one point. Without tables, you know that tables? Yes. Without tables, you can't understand this multiplication, because tables are very important to understand, to multiply the numbers. So just try to bahut the tables. Okay, dear children? Yes. So now we have an example. So in the example, they given 221 multiplied by 4. You have to find the product. 221 into 4. So how to multiply? It's very simple. 4 into 1. First you multiply 4 into 1. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Right? You have to write it in their respective place values. Okay? 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 into 2, 8. So the product is 884. So when you multiply 221 into 4, you will get a product 884. Is that clear, children? Yes. And these multiplications are without regrouping. We are not regrouping any number here. Okay, these are very simple examples. And now come to another example. Here we have one more example, 210 into 3. So in this number we have 0, right? So 3 zeros are 0. Just now you understood this concept. Whatever you multiplied with 0, you will get a product 0. So 3 into 0 is 0, right? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So the product is 630. And one more example. One more example. 243 into 2. So first you multiply 2 into 3. First you multiply these two numbers. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. And now multiply 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Okay. So the product is 486. You got the product? 486. So in this way, dear children, you have to multiply the three-digit numbers. Okay? Yes. And now, multiplication by regrouping. So this is also very important concept in multiplication. Just take one example. Yes, here we have an example. 205 into 3. So how to multiply this? First, consider ones place, then consider tens place, then you have to multiply with the hundred place. Okay? First ones place, then tens place, then hundred place. Okay? So 3 5s are 15. Don't write it 15 here. 1 you should write here. Okay, this is called as a regrouping. And 3 zeros are 0, and if you write 0 here, that will be wrong, because we have one regrouping number, right? 1. So write it 1 as it is. Okay, and now 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6. Here you have to write 6. So your answer is 615. Okay, and one more example. 127 into 3. So first you have to start your multiplication from ones place. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Don't write here 2 and 1. That's wrong. Yes, that's wrong. Don't write here. Okay, so how to write that 21? First, here you should write 1 2. Okay, and here you should write 1. Then multiply with tens. 3 twos are 6, and a regrouping number, this one you have to add. Okay, 3 twos are 6, and 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, you will get 8. Okay, and now 3 ones are 3, so the product is 381. Okay, one more example. 218 into 4. So first multiply with ones. 4 into 1, 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. So write here 3 and write here 2. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. Then you should add this one na? 4 into 1, 4 plus 3. So you will get 7. And now 4 twos are 8. So write it 8 here. So the product is 872. So in this way you have to regroup the number and write it in a proper place. Hope you really understood this one. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will explain another type of concepts. Thank you, dear children.